In this video, you will learn how to use Binance app voucher. Claiming a voucher is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the Binance app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a button, tap on it. This will reveal a menu with several options related to your account and features within the app. From this menu, tap on Rewards Hub. Now, locate and tap on My Vouchers. At the top right corner of this section, there's a button labeled Voucher Code. Tap on it to proceed with claiming a new voucher. A text box will appear for you to enter your voucher code. Type in your voucher code carefully. After entering your voucher code in the text box, take a moment to double-check it. Once you're confident it's correct, tap on Claim Voucher. It's crucial to remember that once a voucher is claimed, it cannot be reversed or used again. So make sure you're ready before hitting that button. If you're looking for more ways to earn vouchers, consider participating in activities offered by Binance. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.